Speedy.
I'm very satisfied with what I've done in politics. I'm sure there are many viewers and listeners that will have a different view of that. But I think in politics, what we do need in this state, and always must have in this state, are people who are prepared to take risks and to push the agenda. I will be establishing my own business. I'll be making further announcements in the course of the new year. I've had a number of offers from the private sector. I don't intend to be a lobbyist. That is something that doesn't particularly attract me. I'll be there in a very strategic advisory role going forward. A lot of people were always championing for me to be Premier. I never aspired for it. I was never the right makeup for a Premier. I was always a good, I think, number two. It's funny, when I stood down as a Cabinet Minister, I was walking through Rundle Mall with Tom Koutsantonis and there was a busker playing I Did It My Way. It was almost very poignant that the busker was singing My Way. It felt very much like that.